We're gonna be reacting to stuff. Yay! Oh, let me just search it here. YouTuber. So in. Yep, right here. This is right here. I'm gonna react to this one. Number 10.
Oh my god. Nothing can come at me from every direction, but apart from that,
I watch YouTube videos.
Oh my god,
yeah.
no, right there! Oh! Oh, sorry for swearing, but oh man, look how hidden that is. I think that might be actually.
This is actually kind of pretty funny.
Oh god, oh no, creeper!
I never heard him say that before, so it's kind of funny.
You can see a little Pokemon in there!
I never heard any of these YouTubers say that.
That's so cool, dude! Oh, Kabuto! Oh, I love that Pokemon, dude! Internet just went out again. He's so full of crap, dude. How can he even be on... Oh my goodness, dude. I'm so sorry. I just cursed. I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness. Okay, you know, I'm not even gonna pretend like that didn't happen. I'm just gonna slap myself.
Yeah, I hate that. Use your bathroom. The 7.
Don't turn it off. But yeah, that's the magic mushroom. And then over here is my big guy. He watches over me when I sleep. This is Mario. Hey Mario. Wave, mother. Nah, he ain't gonna wave. But you got a lot of people say to me like, Echo, how did you get this seed? If you didn't know, I actually built this land legit. I built it on like, how can I put it? I can't really say it was a mountain. It was just full of grass and full of...
Hey everybody, this
Well, I
is
like
Dan
Dandy
Ryan
Dan,
from
but I
the
never heard him
Diamond
curse
Minecart, and
before.
today we're going to be playing Welcome pretty much a dog, but when you look him in the eyes in normal survival mode, he will turn into a crazy son of a...
He's coming back to finish it off.
The heck?
Oh my god, Dan.
Let's put him out.
Ah, you're horrible, Dan.
Oh. Come here.
Oh yes, look at the doors.
I watch your videos.
I can't. I'm battling. Oh,
Number 5.
Someone made this bed, and I think it has a casket on it. It is Dracula's.
Well, it is Dracula's
lair.
lair.
Is that what it was?
Think. Or
Lair.
something like that.
Ah.
So where am I supposed to go? Am I seriously supposed to jump down here?
Jump onto the web.
How?
Just sprint it and then just jump like a beast.
Oh god.
Oh, we're tied, by the way.
Yeah,
You
that
messed
was
this up.
nothing. I'm gonna...
I tried not to swear there. It just came out.
Oh god. Okay.
Okay. Sit on the yellow block.
Okay.
Smelt the iron ore. We've got a crappy. Okay, I did not just say a bad word. I said crappy. But it definitely did not sound like a very good word. Okay, what the frick is this?
Oh, and don't forget, we'll even add some art in there, too. Look at that. What's that?
Not only does she get coffee in the mornings, she's making dinner. Not.
Jerome, we're supposed to be recording right now.
No, we're not.
Yeah.
We're supposed to be picking a side, I thought.
Yeah, but
Now we gotta edit the video.
We already had that.
Bastard!
We already had
fuck.
that. You were gonna.
Okay.
Yeah, you can't shoot me either.
On to the next one. Now let's watch this video.
Hey guys, welcome to the Top 10 Viral Amazing Trends Central 360, where we talk about the top things.
Today, we're going to be discussing some things. Now, I'm going to tell you some things that might shock you. YouTubers are not perfect. They make mistakes.
Yeah.
And today, we're going to react to those mistakes. Now, guys, I know it's shocking that your favorite YouTubers, Dan TDO, Jack Spadicy, and everyone else is not perfect. I know. It's a shocker. It really, really is. But from time to time, even the pros, okay, mess up, alright? You guys know where this is going. I already know. Now, I've seen some videos of YouTubers messing up, leaving it in. I find it really interesting because as a YouTuber myself, there are just some things that I mess up on. Like, again, I'm not perfect, guys. I mess up on some things and I leave it in without realizing that I made a mistake. What do you look at me for? I, of course, am the perfect one. I've never made a mistake. Ever, ever, ever. Never have made a mistake on my videos.
Okay.
But, of course, everyone else has. I asked you guys on Twitter, okay, I can't talk.
Okay, got it. You can tell me whenever you want.
Now, I asked you guys on Twitter to give me some, wow, this is not part of the video. I just can't talk. Now, I asked you guys on Twitter to send me your favorite creators on YouTube, their mess-ups. Let's see what you guys had to say. So, let's just jump into it.
Number 15, Burger King foot lettuce.
Wait. We gotta crack it open. Veggie Gamer says, I know I have a couple of times, close to a minute of me being completely silent. Nothing more embarrassing than receiving the first comment pointing it out, though. But where is it, Veggie Gamer? I was expecting a link. Come on. Cameron says, I think Dan Tatum has cursed in a few videos. What are you saying right now? My brother has cursed? Like a sailor? No. You've got this all wrong. He's a family-friendly channel. I have to see it for myself. Videos of Dan Tatum swearing / cursing in old videos. This is not real. No way.
This is Dan and Ryan from the Diamond Minecart, and today we're going to be playing Welcome.
What? You mean Dan TDM? He's not a family-friendly channel. See, guys? My brother Dan TDM is evil as crap. He's clearly the evil one, and I'm the good one. All right? You know the little cartoons where there's an angel right here, then there's a devil here. Well, here's Bijou Mike. Here's Dan TDM. Get out of here, Dan TDM. Oh, that's it. I'm writing an angry email right now. Hello, Mr. TDM, if that's your real name. I am a super angry mother, and I would just like to say that wow. How could you teach my little Jackie and Jimmy and Sally those dirty words? Wow. I'm mad. Delete your channel. Thanks. Oh. P.S. From now on, my little kids will be watching Bijou Mike. Okay? Why is she asking? I'm so ashamed of you, brother. I cannot believe it. I've never cussed in my life. I'm a saint. I am a complete saint, and I just, quite frankly, I've lost all respect in you, Dan TDM, brother.
Survival mode, he will turn into a crazy son of a.
I love it. I mean, I don't, and I will never. I can't believe he said those things. I think we could just end the video right there. I mean, I think we could, to be honest.
Funny.
Holy crap, I don't know, that's just very serious to me. I don't know why. It's so stupid. Let's be serious here for a second.
A thing that I've never seen in my life.
You know once Dan TDM's done doing his videos, okay? He goes to the salty spittoon and he cusses up a storm like a sailor. Alright, let me tell you. I would know, alright? Oh, you thought those tattoos were just for looks? No, he's part of a biker gang. Listen up, guys, come on. I mean, I've said this in a lot of videos that, like, I mean, whatever, like, some dancing him cuss, whatever. Like, for realsies, this is serious Michael here for a second.
funny.
For a second, that's it. Like, obviously, these were older
I mean, that's for old
like
videos,
when he
and
first
those videos
started,
probably
and, you
got
know,
took
even when
down,
I
but-
started, I didn't know where I was going, so he probably did cuss a little bit during his first videos and didn't really care, because, I mean, anyone who starts making a YouTube channel usually doesn't know the exact direction they're going to be going, so maybe he didn't decide at that point that he's going to be a really family-friendly channel. I mean, I don't really know, maybe he's already said that, but... So it doesn't surprise me. Obviously, everyone, I feel like
It
everyone...
was funny.
If you're adults, you cuss sometimes. Someone does, alright? I don't cuss very often, it's just not part of my vocabulary, but when I get mad enough, specifically Fortnite, I will cuss, okay? I mean, I've never spoken one of those, horrible words in my life. I am a saint, and again, that's why you all should be subscribed to me. All millions of subscribers for Dan TDM, come to me, please, because I won't cuss. And then your moms won't have to send emails, okay? Oh, I needed that. I really did. It's really not a big deal, guys. I really don't think you should take it seriously. If the man wants to cuss, let him cuss. I just don't do it myself, really, because I just don't. I think it's lazy. I think it's really lazy to cuss, to be honest. Like, it's too many filler words. I think that's what a lot of cuss words actually are, filler words. Don't need to be said. But besides, who decided that cuss words were cuss words anyway?
I know.
Like, honestly,
Right.
think about it. What makes a word a bad word? I don't know. I've always thought about that. Indigo says, I sure have my share, but I'm too scared to tell. Come on, man. Not even for the views. You won't even do it for the views? Kota says, when Jack took a pee break during the first episode of Undertale and didn't edit it out. Alright, Jacksepticeye Undertale. Let's go to the first episode here. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I've always been so freaking envious of Jacksepticeye's style of the way he records his videos.
I
because
know,
he's
right?
a very entertaining guy. He's very loud. I mean, that helps. Very loud. And people just love hearing him talk, I suppose.
Yeah,
God,
good.
a long video. I don't know. Not too much editing there. I love Jacksepticeye, by the way, my cousin. Waiting for pee break. So apparently it's a big thing. I mean, how many views does it have? Freaking 14 million views. Holy crap.
I gotta go pee. I'll be back in a sec. Sorry.
You got to edit it out. Oh.
Jack?
Oh, yeah. Crap.
Jack?
Oh.
Cousin? Hey, hey,
Forgot to edit it
come
out.
back. Where'd you go? What am I supposed to stare at? Hi, Frisk. Jack?
This is so
Jack?
fucking funny. Oh!
How long does this go on? Oh, I think I just heard him drinking water. No, still gone. Okay. Oh, hey, there he is.
Okay, drink.
You guys think that this is a mess up? I can tell you what it really is. It's trying to get that sweet, sweet watch time. An hour. If you notice there's an hour and a minute long. An hour wasn't enough watch time. I mean, oh my god, I couldn't imagine the watch time that results in an hour-long freaking video that has 14 million views. That is so much watch time.
And YouTubers, I don't say, fuck shit, cut penis bastard. And they accidentally say shit and they're like, I'm so sorry. That's gonna get the views. That's gonna
How could he
get the
mess that up,
views.
to be honest. It wasn't enough for him to have an hour-long video. He had to have 1 more minute added. So that's why he didn't cut out the pee break.
Gosh.
You guys think it's all a mistake? It's just to get that.
It's gonna get
sweet
the
moolah-
freaking views.
sweet, watch time.
Remember that.
And honestly, from the way
Take
he's
it
saying
views
it
if
in the
you're
videos, it
your
doesn't
family
sound like
from
he
the
wanted
channel
to edit it
and
out
he
in the first
accidentally
place. He's like,
say
just leave
shit.
it in.
And
It'll
you're
make him
like, I'm
confused.
so sorry
It's
for
kind of
saying
like
that.
PewDiePie.
You don't get views.
Who goes answers the door without editing it out.
And this guy says he doesn't cuss. says he did 1. He did 1. He did 2.
All right, we're back. You're gonna edit that out, right, Gonzi? Yeah, be sure to edit that out, okay?
He did 2.
Whatever you do not leave it in.
It was funny.
Ruined my career. Sayori says the PewDiePie Blink Hub thing.
He
because
said,
I don't cuss on this channel.
sweaty and
What do you mean? That's not a cuss word.
Jesus.
I care about my monetization, okay? So, in this video
He
of
said,
PewDiePie's
Jesus
episode of The
inside of,
Walking Dead, they played, how many years ago was this? This is in 2012.
And,
this is around the time when I actually started
Baldi's
watching them.
Basic
In the middle of this video
Birthday
somewhere,
Bash video.
he like goes
He
off
plays
the game or
Baldi's
something
Basic
like that,
Birthday
doesn't
Bash.
edit it out, and his search history is
And
just
then he-
displayed, okay?
And then he
He left it
played.
on. All right, now
And
you
then
can
he
only guess. You
played-
can only guess what was in his search history. Let's see. Emmanuel says in
I
minute
think
232
it- yeah,
is why we
Cuphead.
use the incognito mode, kids.
And that's when he said
Ooh, we're getting a
sweaty.
sneak peek of what YouTube used to look like in 2012. So we still have like the video title. And so he's uploading a video while playing the game. PewDiePie, Pewdie, let's play horror. I just find that so interesting, especially as a person who does YouTube. Wait, he's playing an episode of The Walking Dead and uploading one. Oh, there it is. There, I seen it. Okay, we gotta like really pause it. Dang it, it's so hard to see. No, I had it. Dang it. Come on. There it is. There we go. It took me forever to figure this out. So if we take a closer look here, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I can't show it. That's embarrassing, alright? Now, I'm not gonna say too much about this one because of the demo. I want my video, it's family friendly, okay? But yeah, but basically, he should have deleted his history. Now, I totally get how he missed this because obviously, it was like a millisecond of a frame that he left in there. And when you're editing long videos like this, you tend to skip some parts because it's just like, it looks like it's just playing and reacting, basically to what's happening and things like that. So he's not checking everything, so I can see how he can easily skip over that. Just like, I know how it goes. We talked about this in one of his videos before. Oh, apparently this is also where he tries. Okay, I'm telling you, man, these YouTubers are evil geniuses. Gixon says, in one Good Mythical Morning video, Rhett swore and they forgot to bleep it, and I've also heard people talk about Jacksepticeye going to the bathroom. I've got so many people telling me about the bathroom one, okay? Alright, yes, it was very embarrassing, alright? It was very embarrassing. I would never do such a thing. Because obviously I'm perfect. Again, I mean, how many times do I have to say it for you guys to believe it? But I've never seen the Good Mythical Morning one. I mean, I've heard Rhett swear. He does actually swear. Like he's talked about it too. I mean, usually YouTubers are pretty open about those kinds of
Yeah, I've
things.
heard
But
of
to leave it on
guys
Good Mythical
say
Morning is pretty
anything
insane. I freaking love
about
Rhett and Link. You guys have seen me reference them a lot of times in my videos. I've really loved Rhett and Link. But I can't find what video is it? I wish you would have given me a link. Oh, there's a compilation on Vimeo. Okay.
I didn't tell you about it because they're easily made.
You mean Link swears too? Oh my god, guys, you really need to subscribe to my channel now. I mean, get away from all these bad influencing YouTubers. They're too bad for you, and you're going to become a gangster if you keep watching them. Alright? Quite frankly, I'm disappointed in all of them.
I was a good blocker, though. I blocked the shoot.
I've done that. I've done that on some of my videos where I've went to say something bad that I shouldn't have, like a dirty word, and I had to stop myself. It's always funny. Those are the best moments. There was only one time, and some of you guys where you actually told me that. There's also another moment where you were playing Cuphead for the first time. You accidentally said the word blankety blank blank. I did, and it was an accident, and it was one of the funniest things ever. Okay, I can do this. I just gotta take it nice and slow. Oh my god, I didn't do that. I didn't do that. It was an accident. I mean, no, I did it. Remember, guys, you all have to come subscribe to me. When Laurenside was playing Sims and was silent for a good 2 minutes and forgot to edit out, that was a while back when she first is the Creepypasta series and not the reboots. Laurenside, you said? Let's see. I don't know. I can't find it, okay? I can't find it. Supposedly she silenced for like 2 minutes and didn't edit it out. That's a D-slapper. But I can't find it, so you guys gotta give me timestamps here. I don't think it's in this video though because of the fact that there's no comments about it. Laurenside, my rival. I wanted to bathe in the satisfaction of her mistake, and I didn't make a mistake. Yeah, that's right. We're starting drama. Yeah, we are. All right, Team Star, where you at? Michael, I'm so confused. You guys did a collab, and I thought you guys were cool, but now there's drama. Why is there drama, Michael? Oh, the one person said that when LD Shadow Lady streamed on accident. Okay, we gotta check that out.
Yeah,
Is it
check that out.
recorded? Oh, someone recorded it. Oh God. Oh, like it's not that bad or anything. Also, she starts cussing. Mother. It turns out any YouTuber that plays Minecraft, it turns out they've just been bottling it inside, so they really are the most potty mouse people ever. I'm just kidding. Lizzie's awesome. Okay, it's no hate. Honestly, there's no hate intended to anyone in this video. I don't want you guys to think that. It's just funny because I can speak from a person who edits videos myself.
Yeah.
And it's never made a mistake actually. So I don't know what I'm saying. 0 mistakes.
What is funny?
Oh, that's gonna be my new.
People start screaming like, "Oh, blippity blip, I started striking. I didn't want to do that." It's funny.
New slogan. I've streamed on accident twice. Luckily, it was only for like 2 seconds each time, and I caught it. But it was a mistake. I did it on purpose. It's what happens when you have hotkeys on your computer and you forget about it when you have OBS open. That's exactly how this happens. Wait a minute. LD Shadow Lady has all the views, right? She's got all the views. You mean this is the key? This is what I need to do? Oh my God. I've been doing it all wrong. I've been talking. I've been trying to entertain, but that's the problem. I've been trying to entertain. I need to just let it happen naturally. I think that's what I really need to do. And that's how we get the views. Oh no! No, Lizzie, I'm sorry. You don't deserve this. Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's funny. Again, no hate. I don't want you guys to get the wrong idea. I wonder if she ever reacted to that. She probably did. I don't know. I would have. If that would have happened to me, which it's come so close many times, I definitely probably would have reacted to it. Well, guys, that pretty much does it. Again, I'm really proud to say that I've never made a mistake, and especially, I'm just really proud. I feel like you should. Yeah, we'll do that again. Guys, well, there you have it. That was for all of the YouTube fails, editing fails. I'm really proud and extremely proud.
Yeah, what else do we got here? We'll do one more, actually. Oh, that one, yeah. Oh, shit, got this.
Come at me from every direction, but apart from that,
Yeah, I already put that one in my video. Okay, this is the last one, and we're done. But this is all we have time for, is this last one. Like and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And, you can watch this because I won't talk. Since this is my last one, I just won't talk. I'll just actually let you watch the whole thing. I can just turn off my mic. like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And comment down below what videos you would like me to react to next. Thank you, and goodbye.